Hi, I'm Hannah from Import Export TV and I'm here with the team at Sportica. How are you guys?
Yeah, hi. Good. How are you?
Thank you. How are you finding today, and is this your first time at the Global Sourcing Expo?
Yeah, we are here in this expo for the first time. We have been exhibiting in Germany since last 15 years, and it is good experience to be here. This is first day, and many visitors visited us, and I hope we will have good business from Australian buyers. Yeah.
Perfect. And could you tell us a bit about what your business does?
So we are actually manufacturers of sports goods, right? We do have like FIFA certified balls. We have like soccer jerseys, rugby, and that stuff. All everything related to sports goods, right? We do have like boxing materials as well, like boxing gloves and boxing bags.
We are manufactured from Pakistan, and Pakistan is the world-renowned hub in Pakistan to manufacture hand-stitched footballs and customized apparels. Yeah.
Perfect. And what makes your products unique?
Yeah, so everything is done in-house, right? So we have like top-notch quality in terms of materials, in terms of stitching, in terms of printing. Everything is done under our supervision. I think that makes us stand out as if compared to the competitors we have in Cycot or anywhere in the world. So I think I would say the quality and the being able to produce everything in-house is what makes us unique.
And we are also FIFA certified. We manufacture FIFA certified footballs.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for speaking to us. It all sounds really interesting.